Hello everyone, I'm Ashwini Sarabhai, a sugar flower artist from India, and today I'm going to show you how I make these moth orchids. So these are the orchids that we are going to make today. These are also called as the moth orchids or the Phalaenopsis orchids. So these flowers consist of the following parts, which is the center, which is the most intriguing part of this orchid, 2 petals and 3 sepals. The sepals are pretty much the same color as the petals, so they look more or less like a petal itself. While we work on these flowers, I'll be showing you how to make this center, how to give it that vibrant color and add the detailing of all the elements. We'll see how to make these 2 petals along with the sepals, how to give it that shape and the veining, and also put it all together. We'll then work on the stem and the buds, and of course we are going to see how to color them precisely as well. So join me in this class and we'll work on these flowers together.